Hello, I'm Adam. Nice to meet you. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So you bought yourself one of these massage hooks, or some of them are called a Theracane, and you're not really sure what to do with it. Now when I bought this at Target, it came with this little book, and sure there's some nice pictures in there. A lot of look, he's massaging his bicep. Let me try that.
On my bicep.
Okay. Anyway, so there's a basic concept I like to use in all the body work that I do. So this here's a muscle.
It's a rubber band, Adam.
Now the way that I always use this sort of tool is I like to shorten the muscle first, trap it, and then stretch the muscle. So if we just stretch the muscle, that'd be the equivalent of moving the head like that. It just stretches. And if we stretch the muscle and then push, that increases the stretch even more. So that's what this tool is useful for. It's a way to push on a stretched muscle. And I always advocate for static pressure with movement of the joint. Right? So we have this much stretch here, makes kind of a lower thump, and then we push down, guess what? It's a higher thump. Now if we trap it before and pull, it's even higher. So basically what I'll do is I'll work down the entire muscle, I'll shorten it, trap it, pull. Shorten it, trap it, pull. Shorten it, trap it, pull. And along the muscle you'll find some places that are a little tighter than others. So here's a demonstration for your shoulders. So I'm going to start with my trapezius muscle, which comes up here, goes all the way up the neck. It's pretty much everybody's favorite one. But when you feel in there, you'll feel that parts of it are probably a little more dense. And we're going to always get a lot more tension right where it hits the bone. So don't go right on the bone, but we'll start here, shorten. Now since I'm more out to the side with this one, the motion is going to be a sideways motion. So we'll shorten, trap, gently stretch. Yeah, I can feel that in my brain. And shorten, compress, and stretch. And if you feel like you're on a spot that a little rotation would do some service, go ahead and do that. And shorten, compress, and stretch. Try not to get your hair in there, it kind of hurts to pull. And we're going up now. So we shorten these little guys. Compress and stretch. And turn, and shorten, compress, and stretch, and turn. Now what you don't want to do, especially with the neck, you want to avoid going right in here, because that's where your jugular is. And you don't want to shorten, compress, and pass out. Do your other side along with me here. Shorten, compress, stretch. Ooh, mama. Shorten, compress, stretch. Shorten, compress, stretch. And I just kind of go all along the muscle. And really, we're not thinking about, oh, I want to get my trapezius. My trapezius is sore. It's my traps, man. My traps are so sore all the time, dude. The important part is muscles get stuck to each other. And that's what we're doing. We're compressing. And when we move them, we're contracting the muscles and pulling on them And we're just adding extra stretch, extra strain on that tightness between the two layers. Now, when you start getting into your shoulder, everybody loves right here. So we go on the spot. We're going to shorten by going back. So we shorten, compress, and then we can go forward and to the side, or we can go straight forward. So you can even just hold one spot and play around, going that way, and going to the same side too. And I'll do the other side. And shorten, compress, stretch. So yeah. I can really feel that one. Good. So remember, you can do this with any part of your body. You can do it with the front of your shoulder. So you would shorten, compress, and stretch. So hopefully that was helpful. Feel free to comment if you have any other specific questions about this video, or you want to know how to use the Theracane on a different area of your body. I do lots of this kind of stuff, and I try to do it so that it's as user-friendly as possible for just a normal person.
This isn't a massage therapist channel.
I've got 2 courses right now on my website. One's a movement course and one's a breathing course. So feel free to check that out as well. All right, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you later.